Hey everyone! Today, I've got an exciting way to get extra money, especially for remote workers and specialty trades. Imagine this, getting paid to move to a new city. Sounds wild, right? Well, it's happening right now across the US. First up, let's talk about Tulsa, Oklahoma. Their Tulsa Remote program offers $10,000 if you move there for at least a year. You can get a lump sum if you buy a home or monthly payments if you rent. Plus, you get a free co-working space membership and community events. Next, Topeka, Kansas. The Choose Topeka program will pay you up to $15,000 for home buyers or $10,000 for renters. For military veterans or returning residents, there's an extra $5,000 with no strings attached. Cumberland, Maryland is seriously stepping it up. They're offering $20,000 to 10 lucky individuals who commit to living there for 5 years. That includes $10,000 in cash and another $10,000 for home down payments or renovations. In the Shoals, Alabama, you can get up to $10,000 if you earn at least $52,000 annually and move within 6 months. You'll get paid in increments, 25% when you move, 25% after 6 months, and the rest after a year. Newton, Iowa is offering $10,000 cash for new home buyers. If you buy a home valued at $240,000 or more, you'll get the cash plus a sweet welcome package. Hamilton, Ohio has something special for recent college grads. They're offering up to $15,000 towards student loan repayment if you live there for at least 25 months. Columbus, Georgia has a $7,400 package that includes $5,000 cash, 6 months of co-working, coffee with the mayor, and a hotel stay before you move. Rochester, New York offers up to $9,000 in home buyer grants alongside networking and community integration opportunities. And finally, Jackson, Michigan is offering $25,000 in down payment assistance for homes valued at $175,000 or more, plus a year-long golf course membership. Each of these programs has its own set of requirements and perks. So if you're a remote worker looking for a change, why not get paid to move? Check out these cities and see which one's a perfect fit for you. Don't wait too long. Opportunities like these don't last forever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates. Catch you in the next one.